Let's cut the fluff. I didn't win the lottery. I didn't inherit a fortune. I built a system, executed ruthlessly, and scaled fast. This is a rags to riches story, but not the kind where you sit back and dream. It's the kind where you roll up your sleeves, dive into the trenches, and build something that prints money. I started with a laptop, $2,000 in savings, 0 followers, a hunger to prove I could do it. What followed was a 30-day sprint involving dropshipping, AI automation, viral content, and digital products. I'll walk you through every step, what worked, what flopped, and what you can steal. Phase 1, the foundation, day 1-3. Step 1, market research that doesn't suck, forget passion. Follow demand. I spent 72 hours deep diving into TikTok trends, Amazon bestsellers, Reddit threads like R Entrepreneur and R Buy It for Life, Google Trends, and Pinterest boards. I wasn't looking for cool products, I was looking for pain points. Things people needed but didn't know they needed until they saw it. Criteria I used. Solves a seasonal or emotional problem. Easy to demonstrate visually. Low competition but high demand. Priced for impulse buys. $20, $50. Winner. A solar-powered heated pet pad. It hit every mark. Seasonal, winter, emotional, pets, and viral potential TikTok-worthy. Step 2. AI-powered validation. I used AI tools to scrape competitor reviews, analyze sentiment, predict demand curves, generate customer personas. This gave me a crystal clear picture of what people loved, what they hated, what I could improve. I even used ChatGPT to simulate customer objections and brainstorm counter-arguments. It was like having a marketing team in my pocket. Phase 2, building the machine, day 4-7. Step 3, launching the store. I built a Shopify store using a premium theme, Debutify. A fast loading, mobile-first design, trust badges, urgency timers, and clean navigation apps I installed. Lux for reviews, Reconvert for upsells, Klaviyo for email marketing, Tidio for chatbot support. I wrote product descriptions using AI, optimized for SEO and conversion. Every word was intentional. Benefits first, features second, objections crushed. Step 4. Finding a supplier. AliExpress was too slow. I went with CJ Dropshipping. Men faster shipping, 7-10 days, better quality control. Real-time inventory updates. I ordered samples, shot my own product videos, and negotiated bulk pricing. I even set up automated fulfillment so I wouldn't touch a single package. Phase 3. Going viral. Day 8-15. Step 5. TikTok. Organic Blitz. I created a faceless TikTok account. No dancing, just product demos. You used trending sounds, posted 3 to 5 times a day. Hooked viewers in the first 2 seconds. Best performing video. A dog curling up on the heated pad during a snowstorm. Caption. I didn't expect this to work. 2.3 views in 48 hours. My store exploded. Step 6. Paid ads that print money. I launched Facebook and TikTok ads with $500-day budget. Hook. Your pet deserves warmth this winter. UGC-style videos. Retargeting ads for cart abandoners. Ad strategy. Cold traffic. Product demo. Warm traffic. Testimonials. Hot traffic. Urgency plus discounters. 6.3x by day 15. I scaled to $2,000 day ad spend. Phase 4. Automation and scaling. Day 16-25. Step 7. AI customer support. I trained a chatbot using ChatGPT and Tidio. Handled 80% of queries. Reduced response time to under 2 minutes. Increased customer satisfaction. I also used AI to write email sequences, generate blog content, create FAQs, and help docs. Step 8. Scaling with influencers. I reached out to micro-influencers, 10K, 100K followers. Sent free products, offered affiliate links, tracked conversions with unique codes, results, 40% conversion rate, massive social proof, organic traffic boost. I also ran giveaways and contests to boost engagement. Phase 5, digital product explosion. Day 2630. Step 9, creating a viral digital product. I documented my journey and turned it into a guide. How I made walls in 30 days. Sold it for $29 on Gumroad. Or promoted via email list. Teased it on TikTok. Used testimonials from early readers. Revenue, $230,000 in 4 days. I also created a Notion template for product research, a swipe file of winning ads, a checklist for launching a store, bundled them into a premium version for $99. Step 10. Rinse, repeat, reinvent. Duplicated the store with a new product, a portable pet water bottle. Reused ad strategy, repurposed influencer network, automated everything. Launched a second digital product, TikTok domination for dropshippers. Sold for $49, included video scripts, editing tips, and growth hacks. Bonus section, lessons that made me rich. Lesson 1, speed beats perfection. I didn't wait for the perfect logo or pixel-perfect design. I launched fast, tested, and iterated. Lesson 2, AI is your unfair advantage. From customer support to content creation, AI saved me hundreds of hours. Lesson 3, viral content is king. Learn the language of each platform. TikTok isn't YouTube. Instagram isn't Reddit. Lesson 4, digital products scale infinitely, no inventory. No shipping, just pure profit. Lesson 5, build systems, not hustles. Automation is the difference between burnout and freedom. Deep dive, the psychology behind the strategy. People don't buy products. They buy feelings. Yeah, warmth for their pets, relief from high bills, belonging in a trend. I use storytelling, urgency, and social proof to tap into emotions. Every ad, every post, every email was designed to make people feel something. Final breakdown. The numbers. By the end of the 30-day sprint, the dropshipping store generated a total revenue of $770,000. Out of that, the operational costs, including product sourcing, shipping, advertising, and platform fees, amounted to $420,000, leaving a solid profit of $350,000 from the physical product side of the business. On the digital product front, things scaled even more efficiently. The guides, templates, and online resources brought in $230,000 in revenue, with only about $10,000 spent on design, hosting, and marketing. That meant a whopping $220,000 in pure profit from digital products alone. Put together, the total revenue across both ventures hit $1,000, with combined costs of $430,000, resulting in a net profit of $570,000 in just 1 month. Conclusion, can you do this too? Yes, but only if you're willing to. Learn fast, fail forward, work smart, stay consistent. This isn't magic. It's momentum. Once you build it, it compounds.